morning guys, welcome to the video. So today is my day off. I've already slept in until about 7:15. It's about 8 o'clock now and I'm at Gemini Springs, and the plan today was only to do about 8 miles up the new Spring to Spring trail to go to Blue Springs State Park. I haven't made a reservation, so hopefully that works out. It is a Sunday, which I'm thinking there won't be as many. It might not be booked out for Sunday night. We'll just see how it goes. Maybe they'll just accommodate me either way. So I'm just having some breakfast. The tent's still set up and things are moving pretty slowly right now. Round 1 is my leftover Life cereal, and then round 2 is going to be my organic cornflakes. Everything is wet. It's so moist this morning. So this is the site here at Gemini Springs. Big thumbs up to Gemini Springs for being way quieter than Lake Monroe campsite, and also pretty much deserted. Lake Monroe was almost full, but there's only a few other people camping here. All that area that's empty is all empty spots. How convenient. Right, so Lake Monroe's to my left, Blue Springs is straight ahead, about 7.5 miles, and we can follow it a bit further too, to another park, Lake Beresford I think it was. Yes, very, very cute. Look at this beautiful calf. And I think this is mum. Yes. The lighting's a bit not good, but hey, hello. Hello. So this part of the trail is looking pretty new, which I'm guessing is the part they've just completed. The little connector between the Gemini Springs and the rest of this trail. Glad to have it, even though it's between power lines. It's actually really nice to see something new again. And it's kind of diverse, even though it's like pretty industrial. Oh, there's a train down there, cool. Definitely a little unsure of where the trail's supposed to be right now. I did just get told it's kind of on footpaths through here, but I don't have this on GPX. Oh yeah, I just picked it up again. It was just straight down that road. Perfect. So I'll tell you what I just love about touring. I just bumped into randomly a couple of cyclists and they offered me a place to stay tonight. So thanks a lot to Gary and Kathy. I don't know if I'll stay there for sure, but if I can't find some camping up here at Blue Springs, I might just retrace my steps a bit. They said I can shower and camp or whatever. Bloody beautiful. Doggies! Hello! Hey puppies! Hey! Classic overpass over the railway here. Actually, I'll probably be coming right back down this railway tomorrow, which is kind of funny. So we made it down to Blue Springs. It is pretty, it's actually kind of blue now that I look at it. It's also very busy. There's like tour buses and people everywhere. So we're down on the St. John now, and kayak tour. Apparently you can do that on the St. John River from somewhere in the south up to Jacksonville. That would be awesome.
Yeah. You can see him right here. He's on the.
He's just a baby. Why he just giant?
Yeah, on the tags. Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
Like I am so popular.
I saw his eyes.
I know I did too.
It's really pretty through here. There's a boardwalk. So this is the area you would be able to swim in, but it is closed till April. So sad. See the fish there? Just hanging out.
This is really quite peaceful.
Yeah, the big ones, the big ones. That's not even big. That's a very big one, isn't it?
Apparently not, actually.
He's carrying something.
Alright, I just had a cereal snack, chilling on the benches here. There's a really old homestead I'm going to check out. Then I'm thinking I'm going to keep following the path and go up to De Leon Park, where I think you can swim. Here it is. Apparently inside it looks like it did back in the 1800s. We are back on the trail now. We're going to keep following it north and just see how we feel. We should have another, like 8 miles north, something like that. Then we can reassess the situation from there. 16 miles to the next state park, but I think it'll be off the trail a bit. It's quite nice though, it's a bit hilly for Florida. So I've come to the end of the trail now. Thought it would have been a little longer. 12.7 miles we're at. I'll have to turn around and go back to the exit. We're on some cute backcountry roads now. Got some nice country houses. Something new to see. Here's another one. What was that? Turkey. There's another one there. Looking pretty cool. So I got my first flat of the tour. Of course, it's on a real busy road, very noisy, and it was a wrong turn as well. Coming back after I realized my mistake, and there was a huge nail and I went straight over it. I'm trying to work out where the hole is, but it's really hard with all this traffic. I can't hear it. So I found the hole, tires back on. It was a bit of like a slash, but it wasn't too bad, and the tire looks like it's fine, so it should be good. Well, I'm happy to be back on the trail. There was just that small section, a few miles on the roads. And then I did that wrong turn where I got that flat, so annoying. Should only be, what, another 5 miles to the state park? I'm so keen, I hope I can swim. Alright, we made it. Awesome. I guess. I don't know if I can just go in or what. Well, it's definitely busier at De Leon than I expected. Just smashing some peaches. The ride here, man. It was hilly for Florida. And, oh man, I'm just like, it's supposed to be like a rest day today. I ended up, we're at like 26 miles. Oh well, let me show you where we're sitting. So that's where you can swim. Definitely not the natural springs that I was imagining. And it's clearly a popular spot. Oh well. Down by the pool now. Gonna jump in and have a swim. Alright, well it's really nice here, but it is too busy. I'm gonna roll out now. I'm just gonna head back the way I came. And, I don't know. I'm at least gonna probably go back to the park, Blue Springs, and then I'll see where I go from there. I need food. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that because all the Walmarts are in town. What are you doing? What are you fucking doing, you fucking assholes? I got it on camera. I'm gonna do you for fucking assault. Fucking got you on camera and the police are coming, you hear me? The police are coming. Yeah, I got you on camera, nice one. Alright, so I'm just at this Glenwood Oaks place. I just got assaulted on the road here. Some white Nissan drove past me and sprayed me with God knows what. Got me in the eyes. They did it twice. And they drove around and went on the bike path. They were gonna run me down or something, but they came back into this friggin' estate and I chased them in and I got in too. And I got them on camera, I got their plates and everything, but the problem is, if I want to press charges, I have to be in the US. I'm leaving. So, fuck, maybe I should press charges. The problem is I have to come back to court. I'm not going to be around. My voice is sore now because I was yelling at them. The cops were just here and I showed them the number plate and that. They might have been kids, I don't know how old they were. They look like they might be 18 or older. I can't tell. They were in a car with like, the windows were dark, but I got their faces enough on camera to see who they are. they're so lucky. I would definitely press charges if I wasn't leaving. Far out, man. Now I got like miles and miles to ride after that. Fantastic. Alright, so I just picked up some Subway because I realised I had no idea what I was doing for food or anything. I'm in a pretty down mood after that happened, and cop taught me how to press and charges, but now I'm like, should I? I don't know. Anyway, I gotta go find somewhere to camp. Alright, so I made it to, what is it? Blue Springs State Park. I'm in the shower room. I went and talked to the camp hosts, and they were like, well, the parks guy's gone, so they were like, just, if there's a spot empty, go stay in it kind of thing. I'm leaving early anyway. I just thought I'd come do this, get cleaned up before I set up, because I don't want to take someone's spot by accident. It's not like super full. There's like quite a few empty ones, so whoops. I was gonna go stay with those people, but they're like another, I think they're another like 6 or 7 miles. And I just don't really want to do that. I want to wash my eyes. Well, it turned out to be a pretty interesting day after all that. I'm gonna get to bed now. Tomorrow is gonna be the last vlog of this series, I guess. Taking the train back to Tampa. Figured I'd just like go through that with you guys for any of you that are interested in doing that after your tour. Thought it might make it easier. And yeah, just in light of what happened to me this afternoon, stay safe out there. There's just bad people out there. I don't know what to tell you. Like, people do dumb stuff. I wouldn't like want to harm anyone, not physically like that. It just doesn't make sense. So yeah, just stay safe. See you in the next one.